Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A12. Samsung Galaxy A12 is the latest smartphone from Samsung in 2021. The packaging is quite simple, even though it is the entry-level series from Samsung, but it already comes with 128GB internal memory. The internal memory of this smartphone is already 128GB and the RAM is 4GB. And this is the blue color variant. Okay, now let's just unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A12. And here it is the contents of the Samsung Galaxy A12 package. Here we get a user manual book, and we don't get the case and other accessories inside this box. There are only two manuals and there are no other additional accessories in this white box. Then inside this box we also get a serial number like this, and then we also get the Samsung Galaxy A12 smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A12 comes with a side fingerprint on the right, then there are 4 cameras on the back. Then inside this box there is a SIM card tray ejector, and we also get a charger adapter. The charger adapter on the A12 already comes with 15W fast charging. Then as usual we also get a USB Type-C cable inside this box. The USB cable here is USB Type-A to USB Type-C, and that's all the contents inside this box. Now let's take a look on the Samsung Galaxy A12. Let's open this outer plastic first so that it looks clearer. On the back cover, it looks like there is some line texture that looks like this, and it looks quite interesting and unique. For the previous A11 series back cover, there is no diagonal line accent like this. And in the latest Samsung Galaxy A12 series, it looks quite fresh with this new design. Here there is also a line to separate between the bottom and the top part of the smartphone. For the top part there are some texture, and if we hold the phone, the texture makes it not slippery when we hold it. Then for the camera module, it also looks quite unique and different from the previous series. This is the first camera design from Samsung that comes with a square camera design like this. Previously, it usually comes with a rectangular camera design. For the fingerprint, it is already available on the power button on this A12 series. The memory card slot comes with triple slot with dual SIM card and one slot for micro SD card. And at the bottom there is also a USB Type-C port, a speaker, and also 3.5mm audio jack. The form factor looks a little bigger as compared to the A02s series. And it is also a little heavier than A02s. On the main camera lens there is a 48MP lens with f2.0. Then on the side there is also a depth sensor lens with f2.4. And on the top left there is an ultrawide lens with 5MP f2.2. And now let's just turn on the Samsung Galaxy A12. And here it is the first initial look of the Samsung Galaxy A12. For its display, if you compare it to the Samsung Galaxy A02s on the left, it looks like the bezel is not much different. And the size of this phone also looks quite the same. However, the camera design looks a little different between the two. The form factor also looks quite similar and only a little heavier in the A12. Another difference of Samsung A12 series from A02s is the processor. The Samsung A02s use Snapdragon while Samsung A12 use MediaTek P35. Then for the camera sensor, it is also bigger in A12. The A12 use 48MP on the main camera while A02s use 13MP main camera. Then for the A12 there is also one additional ultrawide lens. For the front camera on the A12 is 8MP while on A02s is 5MP. For Bluetooth version is also different. A02s use Bluetooth version 4.2 and A12 use Bluetooth version 5.0. Both of them already use a 5000 mAh battery, and the fingerprint sensor is only available on the A12. The position is on the right. However, on A02s series doesn't come with the fingerprint sensor. For the default operating system on the Samsung Galaxy A12 is using Android 10 with One UI Core version 2.5. The Android version and the One UI Core version is similar in A12 and A02s. Both phones use Android 10 with One UI Core 2.5. And now let's take some sample photos using the Samsung Galaxy A12. And that was some sample photos from Samsung Galaxy A12. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get notification when there is a new video from this channel. If you have any further question, you can just ask in the comment section down below. or you can ask in the Telegram group or in our Instagram account at Santertainment. I hope you get some value out of this video. See you on the next one.